Hi friends, this video shows how to connect Samsung phone to Google TV or Android TV. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First, in this TV, let me go to settings. Select the settings icon from top right corner. Then go to network and internet. Turn on Wi-Fi. Here you can see I have connected this TV to Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. If you don't have Wi-Fi router, then you can use mobile hotspot. First we have to connect this TV to Wi-Fi router or mobile hotspot. That is a step 1. Let me go to step 2. Step 2. In mobile phone, go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Tap here. Go to connections. Here you can see this mobile phone also connected to same Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. We have to connect both the TV and mobile phone to same Wi-Fi router or mobile hotspot. After that, open Google Play Store. Tap on this Play Store icon. Install this app, Google Home app. I already installed this Google Home app. Let me open it. Tap on this Google Home app icon. Then log in with Google account. I already logged in. Tap on this devices tab. Tab here. Tap on devices tab. Here you can see Google TV. This is the name of the TV which I am using. This means this phone or this Google Home app has detected Google TV in the same Wi-Fi network. Tap on this TV name. Tap on cast my screen. Tap on cast screen. Tap on start now. See, screen mirroring is working. So this way we can connect Samsung phone to Google TV or Android TV. If you want to switch display to full screen, you can enable screen rotation in mobile phone, then just rotate the phone. That way we can switch display to full screen in both TV and mobile phone. Next I will show you how we can stop this mirroring. Again go to phone, then open this Google Home app. Tap on stop mirroring. Tap here. Done. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.